Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit Moody Aqua Filter using Lightroom Mobile App. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light, Contrast 30, Highlights -10, Shadows 20, Whites -30, Blacks 10. Next go to Curves and follow these steps. And done. Next go to Color. Temperature -10, Vibrance 20, Saturation -30. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. Saturation -20, Luminance -6. Go to Orange. Hue -10, Saturation 10, Luminance -20. Go to Yellow. Hue -30, Saturation -10, Luminance -20. Next go to Green. -100 for hue and saturation. Luminance -20. Go to Aqua. Hue 26. Saturation and luminance -60. Go to Blue. Hue and saturation -70. Luminance -40. And done. Next go to Effect. Dehaze 20. Go to Split Tone. Hue 161 and Saturation 10 for highlights. Hue 48 and Saturation 20 for shadows. And done. Next go to Details. Noise Reduction 15. And Finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.